Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Goans. It's a sweet dish. It's a Goan sweet dish basically made during Christmas time. So let's get started. It's a 3-ingredient dish which is tender coconut, water and sugar. So here we've already taken tender coconut and I have cut it into fine strips. See that there is no water on the tender coconut. It is strained well. The strips are ready now. We have taken a pan and added sugar to make sugar syrup. Here I am adding water to it. Just keep on stirring it. We need to make a thick sugar syrup. Avoid too much of cooking so that it doesn't caramelize and the color doesn't change. Here we've added the tender coconut. Just keep on stirring. Give it a good mix. It will take some time. Cook it for about 35 to 40 minutes on low flame, continuously stirring it. Now it's coming to formation. It's almost done now. Now I've put off the flame. So we need to place them on the butter paper. It's easy to serve this way. So just place it in batches. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel. See you again.